Hello everyone and welcome to Travel the Globe, the channel for travel connoisseurs, explorers, and for those with a knack for adventure. Another exciting travel guide is coming your way today, and this time it is all about the Azores Islands and its most fascinating attractions. Be sure to stick around to the end to find out what happens at number 1. There's a mystery there. Let's get started! Kicking things off at number 10, Pico National Park. The natural park in Pico is an excellent place to observe the native flora and fauna of the Azores Island. Additionally, compared to the other parks, it is the largest one. Take a stroll in the area to get to know some of the wild animals and the incredibly vibrant flora. You can embark on a hiking adventure up the highest peak, which is also named after the park, if you are looking for some additional action while you are visiting the park. Number 9. Capelinhos. Approximately 60 years ago, Capelinhos was a sprawling paradise with ocean water. However, as a result of the volcanic eruption that took place in 1958, the entire island was reduced to a small strip of land with an old lighthouse. This old lighthouse is now a museum where some of the ruins and items that were left behind from the terrible event can be viewed. Number 8 is Algar de Carval. This location features a spectacular natural ancient lava tube as well as a volcano pit. A strenuous hike is going to be required to get to the location. Because of the inner moisture, you will be able to view these amazing stalactites and misty droplets as you begin your trek towards this location. For number 7, Igreja Matriz de Santa Cruz. During the middle of the 15th century, a landmark church was constructed on the imperial city of Terceira Island. Igreja Matriz de Santa Cruz is a magnificent workmanship. Did you know that this historic church has endured a great deal of damage from earthquakes as well as extensive renovations? Despite this, it has managed to maintain its one-of-a-kind architectural design, particularly in the form of its marble portals, which are sure to draw your attention. Number 6. Mosteiros. There are beaches all over the world, but have you ever been to a natural pool? The Mosteiros are a sanctuary that can be found in the northwest corner of the island of São Miguel. They will provide you with a unique opportunity to connect with the waters. It is made up of 7 breathtakingly beautiful natural lagoons that are lined up along the coast. The tide has the potential to create a large number of whirlpools, which is another reason why this location is so fascinating to explore. The beautiful nature-heavy locations of the Azores are waiting for your presence. Do you love beach escapades? What do you love about the beach? Share your thoughts below. If you're liking this video, be sure to hit the like button. This will help support the channel and will boost the video to other travel enthusiasts. And now, back to our list. Number 5 is Punta Delgada. A vacation to the Azores Islands isn't complete until it includes a stop in Punta Delgada, the stunning capital city of the archipelago. Punta Delgada is the largest of the 9 islands that make up the archipelago known as the Azores. Naturally, being the primary attraction, it takes great pride in presenting visitors with its indigenous cuisine, its rich history, and its lively cobbled lanes that are flourishing with the sophisticated exteriors of the houses, churches, and other buildings. This nation's capital is the place to go if you're looking for the most authentic local atmosphere. For number 4, Sete Cidades. Traveling to Sete Cidades is an excellent option to consider, included in an itinerary for adventure driving the Azores. This picture-perfect paradise can be found in the western part of São Miguel, and it has garnered great praise for the captivating landscapes that it features, particularly the volcanic craters and lakes. Number 3. Porto Pim Bay. Do not pass up the opportunity to explore Porto Pim Bay, which is often considered to be among the most beautiful beaches in the Azores. This haven is located in Horta City on Fayette Island, and it provides its guests with a relaxing and exciting experience while they are on vacation there. If you visit this refuge, you won't have any second thoughts about doing so because the sand here is exceptionally soft and untouched, not to mention the majestic landscapes surrounding the location. Number 2. Lagoa Das Furnas. Lagoa Das Furnas should be your next travel destination if you are interested in having a walking adventure throughout your trip. It focuses on spectacular boardwalks that allow visitors to observe stunning lagoons and miniature calderas. It goes without saying that you will need to satiate your hunger in this location. Authentic regional cuisine may be found in a number of eateries that can be found lined up along the streets. And our number one most stunning Azores travel destination, Caldeira. A number of years ago, this popular site was nothing more than an average lake, not until spectacular volcanic activity took place, which caused Caldeira to spread out to a diameter of almost 5,000 feet. When you visit this location, you might notice that it is rather dry. However, the fact that this haven has an abundance of plant life is evidence that it is being kept and protected. You may choose to investigate the trail that leads up to the crater's rim if you want things to be more thrilling when you are traveling Caldeira. The Azores are undeniably one of Portugal's most precious jewels. It is indisputable that the breathtaking landscape vividly demonstrates the one-of-a-kind personality of the location. And it is unquestionably an enjoyable adventure to explore the world's legendary beauty. Which one of these top places to visit in the Azores Islands has piqued your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications by hitting that bell icon. Looking for more travel ideas? Check out our other videos for more Travel the Globe treats. Until next time!